Guys, welcome back to my channel Anja Creative. Today I am gonna show you how to make a fidget toy. For this you'll need glitter, scissors and two balloons. And let's choose a color with this. And I don't know what color to choose, so let's choose. Oh, pink. Okay. Now you'll need the scissors. Now let's cut this like this. Now let's add this yellow into the pink. Now it worked. Now let's add the glitter. Now let's add the glitter. So nice. I chose color green. Now I'm gonna fill this with water and I'm gonna show you the end result.
3.
Now I filled this up with water. Now let's test it. Wow, see the glitter? So nice. Guys, this works. And this is it for this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.